Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a blog on Tumblr. So here I'm at the home page of Tumblr. Now once you're here too, click on this pen button right here. Now in here you can add multiple things like here. For example text, just click on it and after that select the font. I will go for let's say biggest and type something in. I will go for my post. After that you can also add a link to something by just clicking on this button right here and after that adding a link. I'm just gonna not do that. After that you can also add a GIF by clicking on this GIF button. You can also add a picture if you want to by just clicking on this button, going to the gallery and selecting one. You can also add a multiple choice question by just clicking on this button. After that selecting a question, typing in the answers. You can schedule your blog as well by just clicking on these three dots and after that going to schedule and selecting a date. Now I'm just gonna type in a question here. I'll go for do you like cake and after that select the answers, yes, no, and after you're done with everything and you have put everything that you want, click on post right here and as you guys can see my blog has been created. So that is how you can create a blog on Tumblr. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a blog on Tumblr. So here I'm at the home page. So now you can start by just clicking on text right here. First of all, I'm just going to give a title. I'll go for let's say my post or blog. Now after that type in here something. For example, I will go for it is very fun. Now after that you can also add multiple things to your blog by just clicking on this button right here. For example, this one is for photos, this one is to add a GIF, this one is to add a link, this one is to add an audio, this one is for adding a video. You can also add multiple choice questions by just clicking on this button and a poll would be added. You can add the question and the answers and you can also add a read more link by just clicking here. And on top of that, you can also add tags. And after you're done customizing your blog, click on post now or you can schedule it as well by just clicking on this button right here. And you can schedule it by just clicking on the schedule button right here and selecting a time. I'm just going to post it now. I'm just going to post it without tags. So click on post. So as you guys can see, my blog has been added. So that is how you can create a blog on Tumblr.